I need a bigger one.
Oh, buddy. Yeah! Big boy time.
We got some good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah!
Yeah! Go!
What's up, guys? We got the pumpkin toss.
And we got fingernail paint.
Fingernail paint, that happened today too. But we got the pumpkin toss. We've got a ton of pumpkins up behind us on the hill with the slide. We've got a different point system here. So the huge one, it's worth 5 points. Then we step it on up to the medium one, it's worth 10 points. And then check it out, Luna. We got these two, which are worth 15 apiece because they're so small. All right, Luna's turns first. Let's see if she's got what it takes to win this game. Here we go. All right, hold on. First things, line it up. Make sure you're gonna line it up where you're gonna hit it. Send it rolling hard. Oh, I'll count it. Let's see, try number 2. Give it a good roll. Oh, gonna stop early. Whoa, that was an early stop. See what you got, give it a good roll. Whoa, right between them. All right, here's another. Here you go. There, it's off. It's off. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, we'll count it. There's a 5-pointer, so we're up to 15 points. Here we go. Here we go. Up. Whoa, 20 points so far. Well, that was a weird one. Here it goes. A little soft. All right, now here comes the fireworks show, folks. You gonna let it roll?
Yeah,
Let her rip. Everyone stand clear. Straight through. Bam. All right, we got 4 more big ones on your turn. And let her rip. Oh, right between them. Let her rip. Oh, straight between them. That's a far one. All right. Luna's got 2 more. Here it comes. Oh, boom. Last one. Here it goes. Whoa. Oh, 20-pointer. Actually, that's a 15-pointer. So you had 20 plus 15, which is 35 points for Luna. Woo! All right, we're gonna reset and it's gonna be Dad's turn in just a second. All right, Luna got 35 points. Now it's Dad's turn. See if I can beat you.
Can I help you?
You can help me. Hand me the pumpkins. Let's start with the little ones. Give me the white ones, please. I'm gonna get some good speed. Oh, yeah! 15 points to start it off.
I'm just doing it with you.
Let's see. Yes!
Daddy!
25 points.
Together!
We did it together. There it goes. Aww. All right, here we go. Big boy time.
We got some good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah! So that's 15 points on top of 25. We're doing 40 points. Woo! 40 points. Here we go. I'm at 40 points.
Me too.
Oh, no.
No.
Just leave that bucket. It's up. It's still game. It's still in game. I'm going to try to go big one.
Daddy,
Secure some points here.
we still win.
Oh, it's curving. Ah.
We still win that.
So 40 points so far. We got 2 left. 2 pumpkins left to try to get a top score so Mom can't win. Here we go. Oh, darn. 1 more point here.
I still win.
I'm going for the blue 10-pointer. Here we go. Nope. Darn. All right, Dad secured 40 points that round. Luna got, what, 35? So, woo! I'm barely in the lead. Let's see what Mom can do. see what you got.
Make it in a bucket.
Oh, it's going in that one.
5 points.
Woo, 5 points. Okay.
Oh.
Let's see, let's see.
Yeah, we do get
I'll
points.
count it.
Yeah.
See, let's
I got
see,
some.
let's
Let's
see.
see.
Oh, right in the middle.
Go!
Oh!
About to beat Dad. Uh-oh, not looking good for Dad.
Woo!
I'll count it. Mom's winning now.
Nate.
What?
Whoa!
65? 65, 80
Last
points.
one! Oh no! Right in the middle.
All right, Mom got, how many points? 75, I think. We're making up points. Mom got 75. Dad got 40. Luna got 35. Luna's gonna go for round 2 and see if she can make it up. Here you go, you're welcome.
Maybe I should go higher.
There's a 5-pointer.
Yeah, they're my best.
Let's see, it's curving, Whoa, we'll count it.
That counts.
Yeah, 20 points.
Power!
Let's see. Woo, we'll count the dings, the big ones.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
need a bigger one.
Oh, buddy. Yeah! That was a perfect one. All right, here it is.
Go!
Again? What? What? Jeez. Uh-oh. Oh, 3 in a row. Let's see it. That's the biggest one. Oh, dinger. Didn't bucket it, but we'll still count it. Come on,
No, one more.
Come on.
I got the one.
Oh.
That was a good one.
Awesome. That was the Pumpkin Games 2024. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more fun games. We'll see you in the next one.
Can I hold a pumpkin?
You want to tell them bye?
Bye.
See ya.